To add a section view, select the Section View Architectural Object from the drawing menu. A first click in the floor plan view sets the start point, and by tracing the section line in any direction, we can then set the endpoint with a second click. The grip allows us to move the section line or change the length and inclination, while with the red triangle here, we can also invert the side that we want to look at. As already seen for the other drawing model types, a new section view has now been added as a subnode. A double click opens the section view. In 3D view, we can see the section plane that can be selected to enable other specific options, such as producing a preview of the section view. Or we can use the Go to Drawing Model command to be redirected to the specific section drawing under Drawing Models. If we have a look at the Section View Properties pane here on the right, we can edit the title or choose if we prefer an automatic update of the drawing or a manual update. With other options, we can keep constant the line's thickness, visualize or hide the box viewport, and modify the drawing scale. From this view, we can export the drawing model to DXF, DWG format or print it.